Welcome to Love 500 and welcome to the how-to series. Today we're just looking at sloshing sounds. If you ever get a sloshing sound when you're driving the car, sloshing water sound, it could, if you've had a new radiator put in or you've topped up your radiator, it could be air that's in the system which is in the heater pipes and also causes problems when you, especially if you put your foot on the accelerator a bit and you hear a noise of rushing water. That can be air in the radiator. That's a separate problem from this one. I'm just changing the scuttle panel on this car and I discovered there was a pool of water lying under that scuttle panel. So I thought I'd show you what causes it. So in here, I've already drained the water, but this was almost up to the top of this point here, both sides. Now I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but if I put the camera in there, you'll see this bit, rubber bit that's going up and down. There's one of those each side. That was completely blocked. And the other one is, can't see it there, it's over there somewhere, underneath there. But there's one of those both sides, and that was absolutely full of water. So I've stuck a screwdriver in there, pushed it up and down, and as you can see, all that water has come out. So if you hear that noise, it's best to take this off and take the piece that runs across here, which is that piece. The reason I'm changing it is because it's broken at the end. Take those bits off and then you can get to it. But you don't have to necessarily do that. What you can do, if you get your hand down here, that pushes up. Or you can get a screwdriver in from the bottom. That side's more difficult, but you can get to it. You can see it just protruding there. I'll get my finger down there, just there. So you can push it up and down and that will free it. So that's probably a better way than actually taking off this scuttle panel. But if you do hear a sloshing sound coming from the front of the car, that's quite possibly what it is. Obviously water, standing water in a car, not only will it get stagnant and smell, but obviously can rust your car. So I would suggest you clean that up and release it as soon as you can. That's another useful tip on the how-to series on Love 500. If you want more tips and tricks and stuff and how to do things on the Fiat 500s, please subscribe, press that subscribe button, and also click the notification bell to be informed when we add new videos. That's the end of this one.